weird damage to the quarter panel right here. I have a Subaru Outback here. This one has some weird damage to the quarter panel right here. It's real wadded up. Right where the taillight fits, I have a new taillight as well. Kind of surprising it didn't get into this molding. It's going to take a little work to work this metal back into shape. I'm probably going to have to weld a couple tabs in order to bring this out and down. So I'm going to go ahead and dive into this, start working this metal back into shape, get the taillight where it's fitting correctly. So I got this metal all worked out. I have my taillight lining up very nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this taillight back out and start my fill work right on this corner here. So I went ahead and I fit this taillight one more time just to make sure everything's lining up good, and it looks very nice. All my gaps are nice and even. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this taillight back out, and I will get this quarter panel primed up and get this one over to our paint department.